back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking with your boy Q today. What's up, guys, man? Y'all probably feel the energy. It's been a while since I actually have been on camera here for y'all. Some of the videos y'all have been seeing were already recorded, like from a long time ago, you feel me? I'm making this video for educational purposes because this car here, my 2020 Camaro 2SS 1LE 6-speed manual, is the most expensive car I have ever bought in my life. So with that, I just want to talk about how much it costs monthly to own this car. So that's including car payment, insurance, and like gas, pretty much it. And then some maintenance stuff. I haven't really had much maintenance on this car, so I can't really talk about it, but just some stuff I read on the internet, how much stuff this average stuff costs for this car. But first, I do need to clean this car up really quick. I'm just gonna wash it off. Actually, the lawn guy just came and mowed the lawn. Yeah, he kind of blew a lot of dust up on it, but I'm just gonna wipe it off down really quick. And then I'm gonna come back and talk about the monthly cost to own something like this. I almost forgot, of course, we gotta give it a cool start. Oh, switch up right here. Hey, headphone users, we wait. All right, guys, so we got the car out, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that cold start. Let me wipe the car off down real quick. Okay, guys, I got the car all clean. She is looking good. Boy. Now, let's talk about what y'all came here for, which is the monthly cost for this car. So I already did a video on how much I pay per month, the finance, how I broke it down. I did all that. I'm just gonna tell y'all the monthly payment and et cetera, et cetera. So if you wanna know how I broke it down, how I afforded all that, whatever, I'll put a car right there. But anyway, let's get straight to it. So this car cost me $782 per month. Now, let's just go ahead for the sake of this video, say $800. So $800 a month for this car. After tax, title, and license, it was about $51,000, which is what I paid for this. Now, when you get to insurance is always going to vary on your driving history, how old you are, where you live, things like that. So with that being said, my insurance on this is $160 per month, which is not bad for a two-door V8 sports car, because usually it's a little higher. So with the payments and the insurance, you're about at what, $960 a month so far. When it comes to gas, fuel for this car depends on how much you drive it. I only drive this car twice a week on the weekends, so fuel for me isn't too bad. I filled up one time when I let it get all the way down to E. I filled up. It cost me about $65. A full tank would probably last me about 2 weeks. So $65 times 2, what's it, $130 a month. But if you're driving more than that, more than I did, trust me, it's gonna be a lot more, because this car does drink gas. If you are daily driving it, expect to spend like double that on gas, just so you know. Probably triple, to be honest with you, because this car sucks gas like no other. Like, it's crazy. These cars drink. V8 is thirsty. It's a thirsty V8. It's gonna drink gas. So with that being said, $800 a month for car payment, another $160 for insurance, and then you're looking at another, for me personally, $130 for gas. So I already did the math for y'all. You're looking at total a month. It came out to like $1,080. Just the purpose of this video, we're gonna say $1,100 a month. That's what you're looking at to own something like this. Now, that does not include any maintenance. I'm gonna tell you, I took this car to get an oil change, and the oil change was quoted $160 just for the oil change on this car, bro, which is kind of crazy. I had no idea it would be that much, but it's a performance vehicle, guys. It's a V8 performance sports car, so it's gonna cost a little more to maintain. But right now, everything is just much higher in general these days. Tires. Let's talk about tires. I haven't never replaced these tires. The ones they got on here now are, I know y'all probably want to know, Goodyear Eagle F1 something car 3. He told me when I bought this car, I would be lucky to get maybe 10 to 15,000 miles out of these tires, maybe. I looked this up. To replace all 4 tires on this car, you're looking at about $2,000 for the tires. Now, you probably can go with a cheaper tire, something like that, but just know it's a sports car. You want a proper set of tires on a car like this. You want to be able to hook, you want to be able to have fun and enjoy it. You put cheap tires on here, you won't get traction. Another thing on here, brakes and rotors. I haven't ever replaced this again. Guys, just so y'all know, I bought this car with 18,000 miles on it. It now has 21,000 miles on it. So I only put like 3,000 miles on this car. I have barely driven it. So I haven't replaced a lot of stuff yet. But brakes and rotors, I heard and seen on the internet, just to do brakes and rotor on this car, another $2,000. What I'm trying to say is, take into account everything. Not just the monthly payment, not just the gas, not just the insurance. Make sure you take it to the maintenance cost to maintain a performance vehicle like this, because this vehicle is built for the track. So monthly, it's $1,100, but if you get another expense like some tires, you're $1,100 a month plus $2,000 in tires, you're looking at what, $3,100 a month just to own the vehicle if you have to replace the tires at any given month. If you get new brakes and suspension, just know it's gonna cost you another $2,000 so. And I like to make videos like this because it's educational for y'all looking to maybe buy this exact car or a more expensive car, what you're looking at monthly payments wise and things like that. I mean, of course, in everything I list, there's ways to cut costs. You can do the brakes yourself, you can do the rotors yourself, you can do your oil change yourself, you know, you can do all that stuff yourself to save you some money. But at the end of the day, if you're taking it to the dealership or to the shop, that's just what you're looking at to pay. But anyway, just want to share that. That's all I got. It's your boy Q. I'll catch y'all next one, baby. Peace.